Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to share with you guys a testnet project that you guys can start right now. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. So guys, the project I want to share with you today is the Pharos Testnet, and this project right now just kickstarted about a couple months back. So you are still going to be very early if you are getting right now into this very project. Now guys, the name of the browser we are using for this particular airdrop farming is the Queta browser. I've introduced this browser to you guys before on my channel. So if you've not gotten this browser, the link will be in the description box. Make sure you go through that. And the main reason why we are making use of this browser is because just like Kiwi browser and every other browsers, it has an extension tab. Now for this extension tab, the first thing you are going to do is to download your MetaMask wallet extension. Now the link to this particular airdrop testnet will also be provided in the description box. So if you are interested in farming this project, make sure you go to the description box, click on the link, register, and start farming this project right now. So guys, this is the testnet interface for this particular project, and you guys can see we have the connect wallet section right here. So the first thing you are going to do is to connect your wallet. So guys, after you've connected your wallet, you have to then complete your daily check-in, which means that you have to be coming back to this particular airdrop to be checking in every single day. And as you are checking in, your level bar progress will also increase from level 1 to the next level in line. So guys, if you come down right here, you have your social tags right here. So you have to complete all these social tags. You follow them on X, you retweet, you reply to them, and also you join their Discord and you verify as well. Now as you are performing these social tags, your level bar will also keep increasing as well. But actually guys, the part where we want to touch today is the on-chain tags, and for this particular on-chain tags, I'll only be talking about the swapping section and also the sending to friends section. Now the first thing you have to do before you can even start performing this on-chain tags is to click on this three bar right here, and you click on the home button where you are going to request for your test tokens. Now guys, once you've clicked on the home key, then the next thing you're going to have is a dashboard looking like this. You have this particular display right here. So all you have to do is come down first and you click on add testnet manually, and this particular option is going to add the Pharos testnet manually to your MetaMask extension. So the next thing you're going to do is to come right here and you connect your wallet and you claim your test tokens. But before you can do that, you have to complete a reCAPTCHA verification, and once you've done that, your test tokens is going to appear in your wallet. So guys, if you guys can see, this is my MetaMask and I have the testnet already on this particular account. So you guys can see I have about 0.8345 PHRS. So guys, all you have to do now after you've completed the reCAPTCHA is to claim your test tokens, which can be done every 24 hours, which means that you have to be coming back here every single day in order to claim your test tokens. Now once you've claimed your test tokens, the first thing, or rather the next thing, is to go back to the on-chain tags and then you click on the swap icon. Now guys, once you click on the swap icon on the top right corner right here, you are going to connect your wallet. So make sure you connect the same MetaMask wallet, and then it's going to display all your tokens right here, all your assets right here. So as you guys can see, I have my PHRS test tokens right here. So I can decide to swap to any tokens right here. These are the options we have right here. So for this particular video, let me just swap to the USDC. Now I've clicked on the USDC. Now if I click on 0.05, this is currently worth about $15.61. Then I can convert it to USDC. So as you guys can see, the rate and the gas fee has been calculated. So all I have to do is click on swap. Then you confirm the swap, and the transaction is going to wait to be what to be confirmed in your wallet. Then as you guys can see right here, the transaction has been performed successfully. I've been able to swap 0.05 of the token for about 16.61 USDC. So that is how to perform the swap on this particular testnet. Now if you come back right here, you can click on send to friend, and as you guys can see right here, I have my PHRS balance right here. So if you have a friend of yours or someone you know that is also farming this particular project, tell them to send their wallet address to you. Then you can send PHRS to them. You guys can exchange PHRS between each other, and that is all mostly for now. So guys, this is the update right now for this particular project. Any other further updates about this project will be dropped in my Telegram channel, and also in the future I'll be coming back right here to make a video about it in order to guide you guys further on this particular project. So guys, if you are interested in farming this project, the links will be in the description box. The link to the Telegram channel will also be in the description box, so you can join us on Telegram, where you can receive free $0 airdrop updates and also informations, and also join our trading group where we share crypto market analysis and also tokens to buy, futures tradings, and so on and so forth. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.